Hi friends, in the last session we have started that while loop, right? So it is under nothing but iterative statements. So normally iterative statements are nothing but if you want to repeat set of statements multiple times. Okay, if you want to repeat set of statements multiple times, then we should go for iterative statements. Iterative statements are how many types? Two types. One is for loop and the second one is while loop. For loop means if you want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence. Okay, if we want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence, then we should go for loop. Okay, in the same way, for while loop means if we want to execute group of statements repeatedly or iteratively until some condition is false. Okay, repeat set of statements until some condition is false. Okay, until some condition is false, then we should go for while loop. Next, so today concept is infinite loop. Okay, what is infinite loop? Infinite loop. Okay, what is infinite loop means? The loop which never ends. Okay, the loop which never ends in its lifetime. The loop which never ends in its lifetime. In its lifetime is nothing but infinite loop. Okay, the loop which never ends in its lifetime is nothing but infinite loop. Okay, how we can see infinite loops with respect to programming, I will explain. Okay, first observe the theory. The loop which never ends in its lifetime. Okay, keep on executing until if your system shut down, or if you see after 100 years also the loop it is incrementing and there is no end for the loop. Okay, in its the never ends in its lifetime is nothing but infinite loop. Okay, observe the example. Okay, observe the example. What I'm doing means I'm taking directly while loop. Okay, true while true while true, I'm taking print print hello Sai Kumar. Okay, hello Sai Kumar. See, with respect to while loop, what while loop is saying actually, if we want to execute a group of statements repeatedly or iteratively until some condition is false. Okay, until some condition is false, then we should go for while loop. But here what I am doing, while true. Okay, directly I'm taking true in the sake of condition, directly I'm taking boolean value as true. Okay, so there is no end for this. Okay, there is no end for this, and it keep on executing hello Sai Kumar, keep on executing, and there is no end for this loop. Okay, observe for your clarity purpose. If you observe here, it is still running. Okay, it is still running. Don't assume it is not, it is stopped. It is running. It is running only. Okay, I'm stopping with using Control C. Okay, if you see, observe here keyboard interrupt. Okay, keyboard interrupt. I stopped explicitly. Okay, this is nothing but what? Infinite loops. Okay, what is that? What is this? Nothing but infinite loop. Infinite loop means the loop which never ends in its lifetime. Okay, the loop which never ends in its lifetime is nothing but infinite loops. Okay, clear, right? So the next case, what is a nested loop? Okay, what is nested loop? What is nested loop? Okay, what is nested loop means sometimes a loop inside another loop. Okay, sometimes we can declare loop inside another loop. Okay, sometimes we can declare a loop inside another loop is nothing but sometimes we can declare a loop inside another loop is nothing but nested loop. Okay, sometimes we can declare a loop inside another loop is nothing but nested loop. Now observe here. So how we can take a nested loop? Okay, example. See, observe here. I'm taking loop inside another loop. Okay, I'm breaking with respect to for loop. See, what I am doing here is for loop. Okay, remember right? For loop. How we can take for loop means. Okay, you remember right? In the previous session, I have explained what is for loop. So here, what I am doing means for I in range of, suppose I am taking 4. Okay, for I in range of 4, for I in range of 4, I in range of 4 mean for I in range of 4. Okay, I will repeat 4 times. Next, for j in range of 4. Okay, for I in range of 4, next I'm taking inside one loop, I'm taking another loop is nothing but j. For j in range of 4. Okay, so when I0, j repeats 4 times. Okay, when I1, j repeats 4 times. Okay, I will explain with respect to practical also. I mean with internal how it is considering. Observe here. Print what I am doing first means I. I comma j. Okay, for I in range of 4, next for j in range of 4. Observe here, when I is 0, j repeats 4 times. Nothing but it will print in this way. Assume this is nothing but I. In the same way, j is also there. Now here 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in the same way here also. See, 4 is not required, right? Okay. Next 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now observe the scenario how I it will execute. Okay, I, this is nothing but I, this is nothing but j. Nothing but I and this is nothing but j. See here, when I value 0, j value will 0 and j value will 1, this 2 and this 3. So in this way we are going to get the output. Okay, when I0 j 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, when I value 1, when I value 1, that time it is going to j value 0, j value will 1, j value will 2 and j value will be 3. In the same way, when I value 2, first j value 0, j value 1, j value 2 and j value will be 3. When I value 3, j value 0, j value 1, j value 2 and j value 3. Okay, so in this way we are going to get the output. Okay, when I0, j will get chance for 4 times. Okay, when I value 1, j will get the chance 4 times. Okay, if you want, observe now, observe the output now. If you observe here, for the first time, when I value 0, j 0 1 2 3. Okay, when I value 0, j value will be 0 1 2 3. Then again when I value 1, when I value 1, j automatically 0 1 2 3. Next, when I value 2, j value automatically 0 1 2 3. Okay, when I value 2, j value 0 1 2 3. In the same way, when I value 3, j value also 0 1 2 3. Okay, in this way, so we are using nested loop, and this is the behavior when we are using nested loops concept. Okay, clear, right? See, next, suppose, observe here, I want to print a pattern. Print the pattern. Print the below pattern. Print the below pattern. How to print the below pattern means, observe carefully. What is first? What is a pattern? If I give input 4, if I give input 4, if I give input 4, I want the output as star, 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 and star, 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 star. Okay. If I give input 4, output should be in the below way. Okay. If I give input 4, the output I want to get in this format. Okay, first time 1 star, second time 2 stars, third time 3 stars, and fourth time 4 stars. Okay, see here, first what I am doing here is, what I am doing here is, here first how many columns? Okay, let me take the first new paint. Okay, this is our output. We have our target. Now if you observe here first, now if you observe here first, rows 4, okay, column 4. Okay, when rows and columns 4, but if you observe here, when row is incrementing, when row is incrementing, stars also incrementing. Okay, when row is incrementing, When row is incrementing, star, every star is incrementing. That means row is dependent on the column stars. Okay, observe carefully one more time. Now here how many rows and how many columns total? 4 rows and 4 columns. How I am saying 4 rows 4 columns means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And column level also, if you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, column side 4. Okay, don't consider here 3 stars, here 2 stars. Okay, final one how many stars? Okay, in the left side, right side and the top to bottom how many stars are there? That's what we have to consider. Now here the theory is when row is incrementing, okay, when row is incrementing, column level stars are incrementing. Okay, when row is first time, when row is 1, only 1 star. So one row is completed. Next, when you are coming to the next row, we need to increment the row and we need to increment the stars also. Okay, when row is incrementing, column level stars also we have to increment. Okay, when row is incrementing, column level stars also we can we have to increment. Okay, in the same way, when two rows are incrementing completed, next row is incrementing. Okay, when row is incrementing, column level stars are incrementing. Okay, that means we can say row is dependent on the column stars. Okay, based on this we have to write the program. See, observe here how I am writing means first how many rows? Four stars. I mean how many rows? Four rows. Four rows, right? So our target is four rows for I in range. Okay, for I in range of four. For I in range of four means this is nothing but row. I is nothing but row. Okay, four is completed. Now anyway row is dependent on the column stars. Okay, for row in range of 4. Next one for column in range of 4. Okay, column in range of 4. Don't assume n is equal to 4 directly. Based on here what you will give, that one will consider. Okay, here I'm taking based on your input. Okay, for row in range. Okay, for row in range n, here what I will take, 4 instead of 4 I will take row. Okay, now first time what is the value that it is going to consider? Okay, that it is going to consider. But here what I will do is, if I take 4, what happens means, if I take 4, what happens means it starts from 0. Okay, it starts from 0 and 0 in range of nothing will get. Okay, observe the first scenario. Print star. Okay, print star. Okay, observe here. Now we will not get in the same line. Okay, it's going to get in the different line. Okay, instead of to get in the same line, we have to use the end attribute. Okay, end attribute. See, I'm not doing anything now. First what I am doing, for the row for the row in range of n, what is the value? 4. 0 will come. For column in range of 0, 1 star and completed. So when it is completed, so finally with respect to in this for loop, we have to take one print, okay, to fill the next row, okay, to fill this row and this row to print in the different line, okay. Now observe here what happens means max 4 means range means what I told n minus 1, but it starts from 0, okay, 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means 4 iterations will come, but when you are coming to here 0 for column in range of 0 means what is the value? See, first case what is the result means if you observe here one star we are not observing, okay. If I'm giving 4 I'm not observing one star, but if I take here row plus 1, okay, if I take here row plus 1, now observe row plus 1 I'm taking 1 2 3 4, okay. So this is our required one, okay, this is our required one. Here what I am doing, nested loop. By using nested loop I'm printing the required stars, okay, I'm printing the required star using nested loops, okay. See here I'm explaining one more time here. For row in range of 4 means first of all you have to understand the concept of this nested loops, okay. If you are full clarity, so then only it is possible to understand this pattern, how to print these type of patterns, okay. Now observe here what I am doing. For I in range of 4 means 4 means I mean n means what, 4 in our case, okay. Row means it starts from 0, okay. 4 means 0 comma 3 n minus 1, okay. 4 range of 4 is it nothing but 0 comma n minus 1. In this way it will start, that means 0 to 3, okay. When 0 to 3 row value 0, when row value 0 column in range of row plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, okay. That time column value will be 1 means 1 star we will get, okay. When 1 star is completed, so next iteration there is no anyone, okay. So next this loop will complete. When this loop is completed it's going to print this line means the cursor will start blinking in the next line, okay. The cursor starts blinking in the next line. Again 4 means 4 means 0 is completed, next 1, okay. 1 for column in range of 1 plus 1 2, okay. Now range of row plus 1 means 2, okay. Now in this case 2 stars will print, okay. If you want I will give you the clarity. If I remove end attribute you will not feel the difference, I mean definitely you will not see the pattern in this way. Observe here if you want. If you observe here, one star, after one star, two stars giving space and two stars printing in the different line, okay. Three stars, okay. In the same way, four stars also. Clear, right? Okay, this is the program. Okay, so don't think that programs are very critical. Just in front of you only, I wrote this program, but if you are not getting the clarity, better to watch this video first, nested loops, okay, nested loops concept multiple times, then you will get the clarity on patterns. So okay, still you are not getting the clarity means please reach out to my email id in the comment section, or to my email id I will help you, okay. But make sure first if you understand nested loops concept, then only it is possible to understand this type of patterns. Okay, clear, right? Okay, thank you friends. If you are having any questions or queries, please reach out to my email ID in the description or post your query in the comment section. Thanks. Thanks everyone.